Hello children, welcome to Narayana Digital Classes where learning never stops. Today I am going to discuss the 9th class assignment number 9 topic states of matter. So in this the first question is 1 degree rise in temperature is equal to rise of 1 degree rise in temperature. So here we have relation between Fahrenheit and Celsius. So F is equal to 9 by 5 Celsius plus 32. So this is the relation. So here 1 degree rise in temperature is equal to, that means 1 degree rise in temperature here, that means in place of C I am substituting C plus 1 degree. So what happens, F is equal to 9 by 5 into C plus 1 plus 32. So what happens, F is equal to 9 by 5 C plus 9 by 5 plus 32 plus 32. So F is equal to 9 by 5 plus 32 plus 9 by 5. So here what is this total? F is equal to F plus F plus 32. So what is the value here? That means how much value? That means this total plus, sorry, so this total F plus 9 by 5. How much? 9 by 5. So that means how much 1 degree rise in temperature, it is equal to rise of total 9 by 5 F. So which option? Second option is correct. Next we will move to next question. At which degrees both Celsius and Fahrenheit scales are equal? So here Celsius and Fahrenheit. So we have the relation, the C by 5 is equal to F minus 32, F minus 32 by 9, F minus 32 by 9. So here one by one option I want to check. So here first I am taking minus 40 degrees Celsius. The Celsius is equal to Fahrenheit is equal to, I am taking minus 40. So I am substituting here. So minus 40 by 5 is equal to minus 40 minus 32 by 9. So here 9 into 4, 9 4s are 360 is equal to 5 into minus 72, 5 into minus 72. So that is equal to 360 is equal to minus 360. So here both the values are same when this is minus 40. That means at minus 40 degrees Celsius both degrees Celsius and Fahrenheit scales are equal. So option is minus 40 degrees Celsius. And next, when the temperature is raised, the viscosity of the liquid decreases. The viscosity of the liquid decreases. What happens when the temperature is increased? So what exactly viscosity means? There is a little thin liquid, that means the intermolecular forces are more, that means it is a jelly like substance. When the temperature is applied here, that means what happens when the temperature is increased? That means the thermal energy, if the thermal energy is happened, that means the kinetic energy of the molecules, what happens? overcome the attraction forces between these molecules. So when the thermal energy is increases, kinetic energy is increased. Kinetic energy increased means what happens? So it is directly proportional. The temperature increases, kinetic energy is increases. So when the kinetic energy is increased, the viscosity is decreases. Viscosity is decreases. That means this thermal energy, what the thermal energy does? This thermal energy is increases the kinetic energy of the particles. This kinetic energy overcome the attractive forces between these molecules. So automatically the viscosity is decreases. So the option is fourth option. That means increase in the temperature increases the average kinetic energy of the molecule, which overcome the attraction force between them. So this is correct answer. Next we'll move to next question. At absolute zero, so what happens? That means in generally we are thinking that here all the molecular forces are decreased or a minimum. That means all the energies here, this means absolute zero is minimized. So here that means generally we thought that all the energies, that means, are seized. So automatically, so the kinetic energy of the gas, becomes zero. So which option is correct? At absolute temperature, the kinetic energy of the gas becomes zero. And next we will move to next question. The value of Fahrenheit at 0 degree Celsius. The value of Fahrenheit at 0 degree Celsius. So we have a relation F is equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32. So then value of Fahrenheit at 0 degree Celsius. So 0 degree. So if I substitute 0 here, if I substitute in place of C is equal to 0 degree Celsius, then what happens? F is equal to 9 by 5 into 0 plus 32. So that means this total becomes 0. Then F is equal to how much? 32 degree Fahrenheit. So the value of Fahrenheit at 0 degree Celsius is how much value? 32 degree Fahrenheit. Right? Thank you children. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.